Welcome back to Beyond the Sprue, where we cover new model kit releases. Paracel Miniatures are producing in 1/35 scale some new figures for the North Vietnamese army, a couple of tank crews, and these are made in resin, and some truck crews as well, with drivers and nice detail. Gecko Models are producing a German 7.5cm Pak 40 anti-tank gun in 1/16 scale. Comes with PE parts and decals. A really nice looking model of the German SD KFZ 8 Scherer Zugkraftwagen 12-ton half truck has been announced by Trumpeter, and that is in 1/72 scale, and it's got some really good detail. In 1/16 scale, a Universal Carrier Mark II, also known as the Bren Gun Carrier, is being produced by Gecko Models. Comes with photo etch, a fully detailed driving compartment, workable track links, and you will be able to put a detailed V8 engine into it, but that's available separately and not with the kit. Math Model Bar are producing in 1/35 scale a Wolf KR KW. This comes with a full interior. In 1/72 scale, IDAP Technology have announced a Peugeot P4 light utility vehicle used by the French military. Hot on the heels of Airfix's Ferret, HKCW, the Hong Kong Creation Workshops, have announced a new Fox model, which was introduced originally with the idea of replacing the Ferret. It comes with full interior and quite a few parts, some PE and photo etch parts, and we can see those being shown on the screen right now. Looks like a good model, and something a bit different, especially if you've already made a Ferret. If you've got any memories of working on the Foxes, I'd be interested to hear about them in the comments. It's always interesting to hear about personal experiences of these things. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. What a year for Albatros models. Hot on the heels of Airfix announcements of Albatros, Luftwaffe have announced an Albatros W4 model in 1/32 and 1/24 scales. Comes with a Mercedes D3 engine. So for something a little bit different, Orluk Models have announced a new in 1/33 scale paper model of the Harrier AV8B 2 Plus. In 1/44 scale, Welsh Models have announced a moulding of Dassault Falcon Envoy 4 CC1, a resin kit with metal undercarriage and transfers. Mini Wings have announced a new helicopter, the Bell OH-58A Kiwa, which was a helicopter used in the Vietnam War. The box includes canopy mask and PE parts and is in 1/44 scale. Techno Models are going to produce a new resin kit with 3D printed parts in 1/48 of the Lard Turner LTR 14 Meteor. In ICM's catalogue, they announced that next year in 2025 they're going to be bringing out a new tooling of the Henschel HS 129B1 in 1/48 scale. The box art there shows the Kursk markings, which was the famous Soviet-German tank battle in 1943. ICM's highly successful Sikorsky is being retooled in 2025 as well into a more manageable 1/72 scale, although I believe it will still be big. As always, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time. Bye for now.